Here I've got ARCHOS Oxygen 57, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then go to keypad, and let's start with the first code, which is *##, 4636 ###. And as you can see here, you can check phone info, usage statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. Let me start with phone information. And here you can read email number, phone number, if you have your SIM card included, then current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, and plenty of other very useful informations. And also you can run a ping test here, simply click on the tab, and below you will find the solution. So let me go back. Then the second tab is usage statistics, where you can check all the details regarding your apps. So for example, usage time and app last time used. So here you've got all the applications included. And finally, you've got Wi-Fi information, where you can locate Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So in the first tab, in Wi-Fi APA, you can check disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configure networks, and also the whole connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration, you can read all information regarding your configured networks, and then in Wi-Fi status, simply refresh it, you can check your current network status. Also, you can perform a ping test here, simply click on this tab, and below you've got the solution. So that would be all for the first code, and it's time for the second, which is *##, 426 #*#. And as you can see now, we are in Google Play Services. It's diagnostic mode, in which you can select events and status. And if you would like to open advanced view, simply click on the more icon and open advanced view by tapping on this switcher. And here you've got plenty of very useful info. Let's go back. Now another code is *##, 225 *##. And this is the calendar info, so all events, all important dates that are written down in your calendar are included here. So you can simply enter this code, and you don't have to activate and check every day your dates. So you have all month or actually year in one place, so you will not forget about any important event. Then the last code, very useful one, but also the shortest, is *##06#. And this one will provide you with both email numbers assigned to your device and also unique serial number. Click on OK to go back, and basically that is all. These are all secret codes that can be used in ARCHOS Oxygen 57. Use them as often as you want to. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.